Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way you can create this pretty realistic looking CRT effect in Adobe Photoshop. Now there are plenty of ways to do this. Some of them are hard, some of them are easy, some of them are more realistic, some of them are less realistic. This is just a cool new way I found out you can create that type of effect. So let's jump right into it. This is our base we're starting off. I'll just select all my layers and I'll just add some blur to my text. That's right. And I'll then select all my layers, convert them into a smart object. I'm then going to go to Image, Adjustments, Hue and Saturation. And we're going to remove the saturation. Press OK. Go back to image, go back to adjustments, and we're going to add a levels adjustment. We're going to push the left slider and the right slider towards the center. So something like this looks good for me. Press OK. And then right now we're going to go to filter, filter gallery. And over here, we're going to add a reticulation effect at first. Play around with the density, obviously, foreground and background level. Your result is going to entirely depend on the images you've used. So definitely play around with those sliders to get the best result for your image. And then we're going to click on the plus sign over here and we are going to add a halftone pattern effect. We're going to add a dot pattern type and let's adjust the size of this and the contrast. There we go. Press OK. Now we basically want to add a pattern on top of everything. So I'm going to create that. We're going to press Command and Control N on a PC. And we're going to create a 10 by 10 document. Let's zoom in and we'll just add a black square. We don't want the angles to be rounded. A black square to this. That's all there is. And we're going to leave a border around it. And then we're going to click on the plus sign over here on the pattern and just name it square, right? We have it right over here. We're going to go back to our main document and add that pattern on top of everything. See where this is going. It's looking pretty cool. You can double click on your pattern and adjust the angles if you want, and the scale as well if you want to make them smaller, bigger. We're going to leave them at 100 and convert these two layers into a smart object as well. Now we're going to go to select color range. We'll select the highlights, adjust the fuzziness and range, right? And add a layer mask to this. So now we have our white with a transparent background. All you have to do now is just add a solid color or add a background of your choice. And now just double click on your layer and click on color overlay. We're going to choose our neon green, and there we have it. As I said earlier, there is no right or wrong way to do this. There are many different ways to create this type of effect. This is just another way that I found out playing around with Photoshop and just wanted to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to comment if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.